Last month, Samidoh shared the very first ever photo of his daughter with Ide, their newborn daughter, a photo of his oldest son cradling his sister, na mbica ĩyo ĩgĩkenia andũ aingĩ mũno. It attracted more than 90,000 likes on Facebook and over 11,000 comments. Na kumana na gĩkeno kĩu, Samidoh rĩu nĩaratugirwo na mũcoro wa mbica o ĩyo, an art replicating the same photo. Ũmwe wa arũmĩrĩri ake nĩwe ũramũtugire na mũcoro ũcio, na Samidoh nĩaracokire kumbũra atĩ mũrũmĩrĩri ũcio ũramũtugire na kĩheo kĩu nĩ mũborithi o take. She's a police officer just like Samidoh. And on the first day of July, she personally visited Samidoh to present him with this gift. Samidoh nĩwe ũrarekereirie ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ena gĩkeno kĩingĩ mũno. He was very humbled by what a fan and more so a fellow cop had done for him. He wrote, "Painting is by nature a luminous language. Today I want to appreciate and recommend my fellow cop, Amuguni Arts, for her wonderful skills. She is indeed a resilient and a hardworking officer. Keep up, kazi safi." Indeed, ni kazi safi. It's a wonderful piece of art. Even Samidoh's son agrees.